Hey everyone, welcome back to BikeZone channel. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated bikes of 2025, the Honda Rebel 1100. This cruiser has been turning heads since its debut, and with the 2025 model, Honda is taking it up a notch. In this video we'll break down everything you need to know about the new Rebel 1100, from design tweaks to performance upgrades. So let's get into it. Design aesthetics. The 2025 Honda Rebel 1100 retains its signature minimalist styling that makes it so appealing to both new riders and seasoned enthusiasts. The clean lines and aggressive stance are as sharp as ever, but this year Honda's added some fresh details. You'll notice updated color options, including a sleek new matte black and a bold, deep red that enhance the Rebel's urban cruiser look. One standout design change is the revised seat, which is both more comfortable and offers better rider support for long-distance rides. Honda also kept the low-slung, approachable seat height, making it easy to handle, especially for shorter riders. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Rebel 1100 packs the same 1.084cc parallel twin engine that made its predecessor a fan favorite. This engine continues to offer a perfect balance of power and torque, delivering an impressive 87 horsepower, making it more than capable of handling highways, twisty back roads, and city streets. One of the biggest updates for 2025 is the introduction of a more refined electronic throttle, providing smoother power delivery and better throttle response. Plus, Honda has tweaked the exhaust system, giving the Rebel 1100 an even more pronounced, throaty growl without adding unnecessary weight. Technology features. Honda didn't skimp on tech in 2025. The Rebel 1100 comes equipped with a fully digital TFT display that shows all the essential riding information in a sleek, easy-to-read layout. It also now features Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to pair your smartphone for music and navigation. Another exciting addition is the updated traction control system, which offers multiple settings to adjust for different riding conditions. Whether you're cruising on dry pavement or navigating slippery surfaces, the Rebel 1100's electronics ensure you stay in control. Handling comfort. One area where the Rebel 1100 truly shines is in its handling. With the updated suspension and chassis for 2025, Honda has made significant improvements in both comfort and cornering stability. The adjustable Showa forks up front and twin shocks in the rear provide a plush ride without sacrificing sportiness. The low center of gravity makes the Rebel 1100 incredibly easy to maneuver, whether you're stopping at lights or leaning into corners. Its lightweight frame and responsive braking make it an excellent choice for urban commuting, weekend cruisers, or even longer trips. Conclusion. The 2025 Honda Rebel 1100 is a superb cruiser that delivers on all fronts: style, power, comfort, and tech. Whether you're a first-time cruiser rider or a seasoned vet, this bike offers everything you need for a thrilling and enjoyable ride. With its refined design, improved performance, and modern features, the Rebel 1100 is a bike that continues to set the bar for mid-size cruisers. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our latest content. Drop a comment below if you're excited about the 2025 Rebel 1100 or if you're planning to take it for a test ride. See you in the next video. Thanks for joining BikeZone.